Hello, my name is Laura Thomas, and I am the founder of Effective to Great Education. We are a startup creating social and emotional learning tools and technology geared for our most vulnerable students.
And I'm Dr. Tamara Johnson, a pediatric community health and education clinician, as well as an advisory board member for Effective to Great Education.
We just want to stop right now and pause to share our open hearts of love and compassion for all of us who are trying to make sense of and adapt to living in a world of COVID-19. This is not easy. So we are grateful for everyone who is sheltering in place to help save lives, as well as extremely grateful for our essential workers who are keeping our towns, cities, and overall country operational right now. We would not know what to do if it weren't for them. Our startup is compelled to also do our part at this time to support our students as well as the adults in their lives by providing social and emotional learning tools that support their well-being, self-care, and overall healthy practices that are geared just for them. Social emotional learning is important, and it's going to be even more significant as we continue to move forward through all of this. So I'd like to announce a special initiative that we've been working on called the Bud to Blossom Project. It'll be launching later this year. And if you'd like to be in the loop and find out what's going on with this project, feel free to subscribe to any of our social media platforms, especially our website, where you'll get more current, up-to-date information as it comes out. If you want to get involved, feel free to send us a direct message and be sure to mention this video.
So to say that COVID-19 has disrupted our lives is an understatement. For many of us, this is a time of extreme anxiety and uncertainty, as we don't know when this is going to end, and we don't know what our lives are going to look like moving forward. What's more disheartening is the fact that this virus, this disease, is disproportionately affecting communities of color and highlighting the underlying health disparities that many of us knew were there for quite some time. As more data is being released, statistics are showing that communities of color, in particular, the Black community, is having 3 times the infection rate and 6 times the death rate of white communities. Therefore, it's critically important that we take care of our physical health, meaning that we're following up with our doctors regularly, taking medications as prescribed, exercising, getting adequate rest, and eating as healthy as we possibly can. But we must not neglect our emotional well-being, as we know that this not only affects our physical health, but also affects our ability to handle distress appropriately. And we also know that creating good emotional supports can help build resilience and better create a stress response.
So during this difficult and stressful time for all of us, we want to make sure you are aware and understand the importance of having a trusted person that you can talk to for the sake of your well-being and overall mental health.
So we know that journaling and praying and meditating and activities like those can definitely help us handle and express our emotions, but we do not need to be ashamed if we need to seek professional help. If you find yourself in that place, a great first step is reaching out to your medical provider, as they can often refer you to the resources that you need. If you have insurance, you can contact your company directly, and they can provide you with a list of therapists that is covered under your plan. You can also go online to psychologytoday.com. They have a great online resource where you can enter your state and your zip code and get a list of therapists that are available in your area. If you don't have insurance, feel free to contact those therapists directly to see if they have a payment plan or something known as a sliding scale fee, where you are charged based on your ability to pay. You can also reach out to your community and contact local churches, as they often have lay counselors that offer these services free of charge. So we want you to take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally, because this is the only way that we're going to get through this.
And we'd like to invite you all to join us for the call to unite, happening on Friday, May 1st at 8 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you.